Hi, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll explore how to create and send invoices in Odoo, along with vendor bills, payments, and their integration with accounting. To create a new customer invoice, go to the Accounting app, open the Customers tab, select Invoices, and click New. Choose the customer from the drop-down list, then specify the invoice date and payment terms or due date. Next, add a product or service along with the quantity, price, and applicable taxes. You can use the Catalog button, which opens a new window for easy product selection. Once the form is complete, click Confirm. The invoice will be posted, and Odoo will automatically generate the corresponding journal entries. These can be reviewed under the Journal Items tab, confirming that the invoice is recorded in your accounting ledger and assigned a unique serial number. All financial data is updated in real time. If changes are needed after confirmation, you can reset the invoice back to draft mode. To send the invoice to the customer, click the Send button. The Send window opens with the customer's preferred delivery method selected by default. You can change this if needed and choose options such as sending by email, downloading the invoice, or sending it by post. Once sent, the invoice is emailed to the customer's registered address. All communication related to the invoice can be reviewed in the chatter, making tracking very convenient. Odoo also makes it easy to manage unapplied payments. If a customer has outstanding credits, the system displays a message indicating the available balance. You can select an existing payment and apply it directly to the invoice. To register a new payment, click the Pay button at the top of the invoice. In the pop-up window, select the payment journal and adjust the amount if necessary, then click Create Payment. The invoice will be marked as paid, and the payment details, such as date and amount, will appear below. Now let's look at vendor bills. Go to the Vendors tab and select Bills, then click New. Choose a vendor from the list and create a new one directly from the bill. Enter the bill date and payment terms. To add products, use the Catalog button. This allows you to review available items and add them to the bill with a single click. Once all details are verified, click Confirm. The bill will be posted, and Odoo will automatically generate the required journal entries. If there are unapplied payments for the vendor, the system will display a message showing outstanding debits. Any unmatched payments can be seen at the bottom. To allocate a payment to the bill, simply click Add. To create a new vendor payment, click the Pay button, select the payment journal, adjust the amount if needed, and click Create Payment. The bill will be marked as paid, and the payment details will appear below. You can also pay multiple vendor bills at once. Go to the Vendors section, select multiple bills for the same vendor, open the payment window, choose the payment journal, review the amount, and click Create Payment. The selected bills will then be marked as paid. Finally, tracking overdue payments is quick and easy in Odoo. Under the Reporting menu, you'll find two key reports: Aged Receivables and Aged Payables. Aged Receivables shows outstanding customer invoices grouped in 30 days intervals, helping you monitor overdue payments and customer invoices. Aged Payables displays unpaid vendor bills categorized by aging periods, enabling you to track liabilities, manage cash flow, and maintain strong supplier relationships. That's it. Thanks for watching.